I'm making the Louisiana Pecan Pie today. It will soon be one of your favorite pies. And the star of this show is Pecan Praline whiskey. Yes, that's whiskey, not liqueur. So let's get started. I'm adding 3/4 cup of light brown sugar, 3 tablespoons of flour with a pinch of salt. We're going to mix this real well. Need to get all the lumps out of the brown sugar, which sometimes there are some. And if need be, you need to mix this with your hands to get all those little lumps out. Now we're going to add 1 3/4 cup of Karo, light Karo corn syrup. I'm going to mix this well, and it will go to the heat next. About a medium heat on your stove, continuously stir it. Do not let this come to a boil. In just a moment, I will show you where I stop. We're almost there. Keep stirring. You see the bubbles? Just a few bubbles on the edge. That's where I'm going to stop. Turn the heat off. Turn the heat off and set this aside for a moment. Now we're going to put 1 1/2 to 2 cups of good quality pecans. I buy mine from Birdall Pecan Farm in Cedar Park, Texas. You can see that I put this in a pre-baked pie shell. Don't worry about it. We're going to cover up that crust. It's not going to overbake. All right, we're going to mix 5 eggs very well. Once we get these mixed well, we're going to set this aside. This is the hot mixture. I'm going to add 6 tablespoons of melted butter and 2 tablespoons of the Pecan Praline whiskey. Mix this well. Now I'm going to drizzle that mixture, that warm mixture, slowly into the eggs. Very slowly. You don't want scrambled eggs. That looks good. Now I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of vanilla bean paste. I just really like the taste of vanilla bean. Better than just pure vanilla. All right, now we're going to pour this slowly over the pecans into the pie shell. Very slowly. Now I'm going to use a spoon just to go over the top to get all the pecans to the top. Next, I'm going to cover that crust with a silicone pie ring that's adjustable. You can use it for different size pies. That will keep the crust from browning more than it is because it's already cooked through. Into the oven at 350 degrees for 50 to 55 minutes. Well, that looks good. Yes, this is ready. Now I'm going to let this cool and then actually put it in the refrigerator for a couple of hours before I cut it. Oh, I broke the pie crust a little bit. But you can see the pie is set really well. Beautiful golden color. And there you have it. A beautiful Louisiana pecan pie that will be absolutely delicious.